Can you help me with Bosch gas oven troubleshooting?
If you run the self-cleaning cycle on an oven with a lot of splattered gunk, it can generate carbon monoxide along with the heat. Then the carbon monoxide detector should go off along with the safeties on the oven.
I do not let it splatter that much. And shouldn't the oven shut down due to carbon monoxide?
Furnaces sometimes have carbon monoxide detectors, but ovens rarely do. It will only shut down if it can't burn cleanly, like that boiled over gravy flowing into the burner and clogging it with ash as it burns.
That's what foil is for.
Put foil over the burners, and you risk carbon monoxide or fume buildup on one side and insufficient heat on another.
I meant foil over the food.
I've seen people put foil on the stove top to contain the splatter, which is not as bad, but if you do that when the glass top is broken, you can create a shock hazard while the range has space for boiling liquids to reach the control panel.
I'd be more concerned about the self-cleaning cycle making the thermometer or oven control thermostat burn out.
At least with a gas oven, you do not have elements burn out.
No, you just have burners that can go out.
If the burners are not burning, assuming you've paid the electric bill, I'd say there's a broken burner, rusted head or ignition problem.
Defined as not igniting and burning.
Igniters can wear out, and ignition bars and sparkers can burn out. Well, Bosch gas ovens usually use an igniter, and that's replaced about as easily as a spark plug.
Control pads can be damaged or get ruined too, including by high heat.
Before you assume the control pad is broken, hit the cooking mode pad, then use the control knob to set the timer or switch cooking modes.
You have to hit start after that to complete the selection and start the process. And that does not always solve the errors it generates.
If it is really erroring out, access the Select Functions menu, turn the knob until the option says Reset Defaults and hit Start to restore to factory defaults.
My gaming console makes that process easier.
You could turn it off at the breaker too, and back on for a hard reboot.
I'm concerned it is not turning on and off when it should.
I'm assuming you didn't accidentally put it on Sabbath mode, where it stays on for 73 hours unless you hit the off button.
Only if I really messed up programming it, but that's what restore to factory defaults must be for.